Oh, man. Anyway, more. Yeah, though. This package right here, though, is a very pretty serious, though. Yeah, though. Yeah. In fact, I'm gonna die. Well, yeah. But, you know, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Package right here. In a big ass box, so. Oh, sorry, let me see if I get more lighting in it. That should be there. Anyway, though, this package right here, though. Yeah, though. But trying to find this in stores. Yeah, though. Oh, yeah. Yes, that indeed. Yeah, though. And these are the official, like, release from Nickelodeon Paramount, though. Well, at least I think it is. It said classic Casper. Yep, it is definitely from Paramount. Yeah, all that though. Yeah. I see you right there, though. Don't know if you can see, though, to this. Yeah, man. Oh, man. Yeah. Okay, hold on a second. Still kind of doing though. Yeah. Move this out of the way. Yeah, that should have a little bit. Yeah, though. Man. Yeah, though. Pretty serious, though. Yeah. Now, I actually bought the 3 individual seasons, though. Yeah. Which is like, put that there. So I can move this to, yeah, the individual seasons over there. Which on, like, right here, though. And then I got this. Man, I probably don't even need these 3, yeah. Man, what I want to do is I have to like sell things on Amazon, though. Yeah, for a little bit of side money, yeah. Yep. In fact, yeah, these ain't the only ones that I want to sell on Amazon, though. I got basically a bunch of junk in here, though. Yeah. Huh. Sell on Amazon, though, yeah. But that's not the point. That's another topic for another video. Yeah, though. Individual season, though. Man. Now, Now, what's coming next is the sequel to this show, Rugrats on All Grown Up, though. That's coming up next, probably like August or something like that, July. Now, I got the tape for that, though. Been out there for like 20 years, it seems. 19 years, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, I do. Yeah, take this tape out. Try to be careful though, man. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna try this out though. I can just add filter or whatever though. Yeah. Yeah, reason why they released this because of the new Rugrats show though. That they like that they are now making new episodes for, but it's the CGI version of this, so yeah. And that's why this came out. Yeah. Oh man, yeah. Shit. Yeah, no, I'm not about to open this though, man. Yeah, man. Now the passion of it, so from what I watched from this, man. So I stacked this, but hey. You got this, so yeah. Yeah, though. Man. In fact, this is like one of the first cartoons I have watched. Yeah. Back in the late 90s, so yeah. 98, 99, yeah. I was, man, small then though. Yeah, I still got some VHS tapes from back then, yeah. Yeah, though, man. All 9 seasons on this, yeah. Now, next thing is All Grown Up series sequel to this, yeah. And then, yeah. Something though, yeah. Anyway, man, that's that, yeah.